Learning is connecting what you don't know with what you do know. If I were to describe to you a large red bird with scales that can fly and breathe out ice, you would instantly think dragon that breathes ice. Your mind is connecting what it knows to something new. Something I'm describing. This means that learning compounds on itself. The more you learn, the more you have the ability to learn. This is exciting because when you focus your learning on areas that actually make your life better, you unlock new levels of potential. However, there is an obstacle we have to overcome when going down this learning journey. That obstacle is memory loss. You see, your subconscious is constantly pruning your memories to get rid of that which is not important. If you haven't used information in a while, it tends to delete it. For example, the average American absorbs a massive amount of information from K through college, but how much do they actually remember? It's a small percentage. We don't want that problem when leveling up our life. We are going to be learning some high-quality information that will lead to higher quality information, and we don't want to forget any of it. So one of the keys to maximizing your learning is to build your long-term memory. Long-term memory can be built in 4 ways. They can be created with a strong experience, with repeated experience, when you are using multiple parts of your brain, and when you experience a little stress. In order to build your long-term memory, you want to utilize these methods to create the building blocks so you can learn more and more. I personally like to utilize repetition with a sprinkle of stress in order to build my long-term memory. This is simply done by taking notes from what I'm reading or watching, and moving those notes into a flashcard app on my phone. If I'm watching a course and I learn that the best way to increase my energy is to eat well, move often and rest well, then I'll create a flashcard that reads, "What are the 3 pillars for maximum energy?" The answer would be sleep, nutrition and exercise. This is overlooked because we used flashcards to memorize stuff in school we didn't care about. But when you apply it to things that actually matter, you will see your abilities increase faster than ever before. If you are going through a book on managing your finances, then take the 5 main points from the book and turn it into a flashcard. If you are reading a book on how to start a business, make a flashcard on the different steps or on definitions that are important for you to know. If you are learning something new at work, turn it into a flashcard to memorize and review it often. Then, instead of pulling out social media when you are waiting in line or going to the bathroom, pull out your flashcard app and drill yourself on what you have learned. If you do this on a regular basis, your knowledge will increase at a fast rate, enabling you to learn even more than you could before. Knowledge compounds on itself. So the key to maximizing your abilities is to focus on building your long-term memory, which can be done with repetition and a small amount of stress. Take what you learn and add it to a flashcard app on your phone and review it often. This will enable you to level up your life faster than anyone around you, so you can live a life worth living. If you want to learn more about how to make difficult things easy so you can live a life worth living, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.